In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on a LinkedIn company page. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a clear, professional listing that reaches the right candidates. Before we start, make sure you're logged into LinkedIn with an account that has admin access to your company page. Begin by opening your company page from the LinkedIn homepage. If you manage multiple pages, double check you're on the correct one. I recommend using a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, though the steps are similar on mobile. Next, look for the Create button on your company page. Click it, and you'll see two choices. Post a free job is great for straightforward hiring without a budget. Create an ad is designed to boost reach, drive more traffic to your listing, and increase awareness, which can be helpful for competitive roles or tight timelines. Now enter your core job details. Add the job title exactly as candidates would search for it. Choose the workplace type, on-site, hybrid, or remote. This setting influences both search filters and candidate expectations, so be precise. Then add the job location. Even for remote roles, consider listing a country or region to clarify time zones or legal hiring locations. It's time to craft the job description. You can use Write with AI to generate a starting point or create your own from scratch. Whichever you choose, review the content carefully for accuracy, tone, and inclusivity. Make sure responsibilities are clear, must have qualifications are obvious, and the language reflects your company's culture. When you're happy, click Next and continue. You'll then add additional information, fill in all required fields, such as the role details and key requirements. Keep this concise but specific so candidates can self-assess quickly. Avoid internal acronyms that outsiders won't recognize, and make sure anything legally required in your region is covered. When everything looks good, click Continue. Promotion is optional. If you want more visibility, you can set a budget to promote the job. If you prefer a free listing, click Edit Budget and set it to 0. Note that recruiting or staffing companies may be required to add a budget and payment method, while most other businesses can post for free. Finally, publish your listing by selecting Post Job or Promote Job. Your job is now live and can start attracting applicants. As a final tip, keep an eye on the estimated number of applicants per month shown by LinkedIn. It's a helpful indicator of reach and performance. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.